Welcome everybody, my name is Tim Sandy and I'm a VMware Systems Engineer. In this session we're going to talk about what's new in AppVolumes 3. So let's get started. AppVolumes is a portfolio of integrated application and user management solutions for virtual environments such as Horizon, Citrix XenApp, XenDesktop, as well as RDSH. AppVolumes has three primary pillars of value essentially. The first is to provide modern application delivery, which reduces infrastructure and operating costs associated to delivering virtualized applications. The second is that it frees up the administrators from their daily repetitive tasks that they're normally doing to work on other tasks instead of offering which offers superior time savings. So again, just saving those administrators tons of time doing those repeated tasks associated to managing application delivery, as well as updates associated. And finally, again, administrators' productivity and satisfaction greatly increase because of the improvements and the less repetitive tasks, making their jobs easier. And it also makes it to where there's not additional resources, whether it's personnel or equipment, needed to manage those applications, again, because the process is much simpler and easier. IT needs a new and more modern approach that takes their virtual desktops and publish apps in their environment to the next level because of the changing times and the needs associated. And that approach is essentially what VMware is providing and how they're looking at how we package AppVolumes and what it provides. AppVolumes, again, is an integrated app and user management solution for Horizon, Citrix XenApp, XenDesktop, and RDSH environments. By providing real-time application delivery with one-to-many provisioning, IT can deliver apps much quicker and reduce the infrastructure costs by up to 70%. By using a unified management platform with patterns and workflows, IT can free up, again, those resources from repetitive app and user profile maintenance tasks, allowing them to, again, spend that time on other tasks. IT can deliver superior and consistent user experience across apps and desktops while reducing the operational and support costs with a powerful management platform. So again, as you can see, that where AppVolumes is really helping with application and user experience related to delivering those applications, saving a lot of time and ultimately money for the business. So let's talk about what is new in AppVolumes 3. First, we have a unified admin console, making management of AppVolumes easier than ever. We have also integrated app and user management platforms to bring the benefits of both together for a better experience, not only for administrators, but also ultimately for the employees as well. The integration of products and improvements to AppVolumes provide the enterprise management capabilities you would come to expect from VMware. And finally, we have created a new entry-level edition of AppVolumes, which we didn't have previously in fourth quarter of 2015, making it available for those smaller customers, which we'll talk a little more about in later slides. So AppVolumes 3 now enables you to provide real-time application delivery. The real-time app model allows IT to deliver applications and user settings to virtual desktop environments such as Horizon and Citrix XenDesktop, and to publish app environments such as Horizon and Citrix XenApp and RDSH. With AppVolumes, IT has a solution that provides complete application lifecycle management, including delivery, patching, updating, and retirement of applications. You can use VMware as a single vendor solution for all your app and user management requirements because of this capability in AppVolumes. One-to-many provisioning means capture once and deliver and scale to many devices or users, cutting infrastructure costs up to 70%. Manage up to 95% fewer templates when you decouple OS management from application management using AppVolumes. AppVolumes is built on modern architecture that allows IT to logically manage apps based on the line of business requirements. App and settings can be delivered immediately or at the next user login. Using app isolation with XenApp allows IT to isolate apps for true app virtualization when needed, while managing all or some apps inside of AppVolumes app stacks. With app volumes, we can combine the benefits of persistent and non-persistent virtual desktops to deliver a truly stateless desktop. IT can update and deliver applications in seconds. Data stays secured since virtual desktops are hosted in the data center. Through centralized management and optimized application delivery, storage costs and capacity is lowered because IT can deliver one application to many users. Applications don't need to be installed on every virtual desktop anymore. IT can design a non-persistent architecture while giving their end users a persistent and customizable user experience. More enterprise management capabilities have been added as well. Instead of assigning all apps from an app stack to a device or user, IT can choose single apps to be delivered from an app stack that contains many apps. We call this app toggling. App capture with app isolation allows IT to easily capture and update apps that need isolation. And now app scaling with multi-zones means IT can replicate app stacks across data centers. Integration, of course, is a big piece of App Volumes 3. The platform that App Volumes is built on is now integrated with app services, user environment manager services, and monitoring services. This helps IT streamline management of apps and users with more services coming in the future. And that goes with most of VMware's solutions, as you're starting to see integration between all of them, and is just making our solutions much more powerful than ever before. The next generation admin console in App Volumes 3 removes the need to use different consoles for different tasks, but legacy consoles are still available if required. With a powerful interface that's intuitive and comprehensive, IT can choose to use out-of-the-box functionality or manually build workflows as well. Proactive monitoring is made possible with a single pane of glass to view into the performance of desktops as well as application environments. Powerful analytics can help drive down support and help desk costs associated with poor performance. As you see here, blue denotes Q4 of 2015 packaging, while the green is going to denote the new first quarter of 2016. In Q1, we had Horizon App Management Bundle, which is now available as App Volumes Enterprise in Q1. In fourth quarter, we had App Volumes Standalone, which is now available as App Volumes Advanced in Q1. And in Q1, we introduced App Volumes Standard and made that available as well. App Volumes is available in 3 different editions. Again, App Volumes Standard is designed for SMB customers that don't require enterprise management capabilities such as replication of app stacks. This version contains integrated user environment manager to help with user profile and policy management. App Volumes Advanced contains App Volumes, which is built for enterprise customers with enterprise management capabilities, and the App Volumes Advanced contains integrated user environment manager as well as ThinApp for application isolation. And finally, App Volumes Enterprise includes the App Volumes, which is built for enterprise Citrix customers with enterprise management capabilities. It also integrates with user environment manager, ThinApp, and gives the monitoring capabilities available through vRealize operations for published applications, which is also a part of this edition. To learn more, you can visit our product page. As you see here, you can try App Volumes in our hands-on labs and watch many App Volumes videos on our YouTube channel. And if you have any feedback, we'd love to hear from you on our Twitter and Facebook pages as well. So you can see the links associated to each one of those. So feel free to go out to any one of those to grab more information on App Volumes. So that completes this session on App Volumes 3. I hope the information presented was valuable to you. As you see, I have the links to my social media outlets. If you'd like to follow me on any of them, they're there, so please feel free to do that. Thank you for joining me, and keep an eye out for additional enablement videos in the near future. Thank you again, and have a great day.